Hey friends, if you wish to fix screen flickering and flashing issues on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. I will suggest you to restart the graphics card drivers. I won't press it on my system because it wouldn't make sense. Press the Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B, all of these four keys together, and it will restart the graphics card drivers. Your system may reload for a few seconds. The next one is to update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the display driver and select update drivers. And the last solution is to check the display settings. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display and then you'll have the scale and resolution. Make sure that both the values are at the recommended value. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.